Welcome to our channel. In this session, we will discuss the procedure and example of how to calculate first and follow. Simply, first means the first terminal symbol in the right side of the production. So, we are calculating the first and follow to each and every non-terminal symbol. Now, I will explain with an example. First, I am calculating first of S. Simply first of S in the sense consider the production of S. In that observe the right side, the first terminal symbol in the right side of the production. Now in this, what is the production? This one. The first one is a terminal symbol. Directly that is the answer. First of S is equal to A. Now first of B. What is the first of B? Again consider the B production in that right side. If the first one is the terminal, so what is the first one? Small c. So directly write down the answer. This is the first of B. Now first of capital C. Here capital C has two productions. First to consider the first production. The first production is BC. So starts with a terminal. So directly B is included and epsilon is also considered in the first of the production. Epsilon. Now first of D. Now here if you observe carefully, in the right side the first symbol is a non-terminal. If it is a non-terminal, then what you need to do? The simple procedure directly you can do without using any formula, or else we can use the formula procedure also. Suppose for understanding, observe D tends to EF. What you need to do? The first terminal you require. So to get that terminal, capital E is replaced with their production. So capital E has two possible production. Suppose if E is replaced with G, now D tends to GF. My production is changed to this one. Or if E is replaced with F, capital F. Got it? So there are possibilities. E is replaced with either G or epsilon. Suppose E is replaced with G, GF is the production. If E is replaced with epsilon, epsilon into F, F. Now, again observe the possibilities. This is one production. From this production, we are getting G. Clear? From this production, we are getting G. Again, if you observe, this is a non-terminal. You need to consider all possible productions. F is a non-terminal. Simply again, capital F is replaced with their possible productions. So F is replaced with either small f or F is replaced with epsilon. Always remember, while replacing a non-terminal, you need to consider all the productions. Now G is already written. What are the remaining thing? F comma epsilon. This is the way. This is the way. Simply the non-terminals are replaced with terminals. So suppose you are not interested doing like this. What is the formula wise? If it is a non-terminal, simply first of that non-terminal. First of that non-terminal. If it does not contain epsilon, suppose E tends to G only. What is the answer? D tends to G. Of answer is completed. Suppose if the first of E contains epsilon minus epsilon. If it contains epsilon, union first of F. If you want to write in the formation, you need to calculate first of E. If the first of E does not contain epsilon, directly the answer is first of E. Suppose if the first of E contains epsilon, now I am calculating, check. What is the first of E? First of E is equal to G comma epsilon. So it contains epsilon. Now the answer is union, the second non-terminal. See, first of E, G comma epsilon minus epsilon means G, union. What is the first of F? First of F is equal to F comma epsilon. So F comma epsilon. Now final answer is G, F, epsilon. Match? You got it? Directly you can replace or else you can return the form of productions also. This is the way to calculate the first of any non-terminal. Remember the first terminal symbol in the right side. In the right side, if there is a non-terminal, the non-terminal is replaced with all their productions, all their possible productions. Once you understand the first, now what is the next step? You need to calculate follow. Follow of S. Anyway, S is the starting symbol. For the starting symbol, you must and should include dollar. For the starting symbol, you need to include dollar. Clear? Now, follow means you are calculating follow for a non-terminal. Now, identify where the non-terminal appears in the right side of the production. Now, once the non-terminal is identified, the terminal that follows the non-terminal is the answer. Again, I am repeating. Identify. For example, I need to calculate follow of S. In the entire grammar, where capital S is available. Suppose if S is available at one position, S is followed by some terminal symbol. If S is followed by some terminal symbol, that is the answer. Suppose if S is followed by some non-terminal symbol, you need to calculate again the first of non-terminal symbol. Suppose if S is available, if S is does not followed by anything, three cases, followed by either terminal, directly answer, followed by non-terminal, calculate the first of non-terminal. Why? If you are calculating the first of non-terminal, again you are getting the terminal. If S is does not followed by anything, simply follow of their parent. We will cover all this. For the starting symbol only we are writing dollar. Now check where S is available. In this S is not at all available. Simply close. Now follow of S is only dollar. Now follow of B. Follow of B. Check where B is available right here. B is available at this position. Simply after B, again I am repeating, suppose after B we have a non-terminal, assume, just for assumption, after B I have one terminal X. I have one terminal X. Directly the answer is X only. After B we have a terminal X, directly the answer X only. But I have a non-terminal. Again do the same process. What is the same process? D is replaced with their production EF. D is replaced with, suppose just for understanding, S tends to A, B, capital D is replaced with their production E, F, H, right? Again a non-terminal. After B, again a non-terminal. Then what we are doing? A, B, this capital E is replaced with either G or epsilon. Suppose if I am replaced with G, F, H, or if I am replacing with epsilon, A, B, F, H. These are the two possible cases. First what I am doing, D is replaced with their production. Now E is there. Again E has two possibilities, either G or epsilon. If I replace with G, this is the production. If I replace with epsilon, this is the production. Now from this I am getting the answer G. Why? Capital E is followed by small g. So G is the answer. Again we have again a non-terminal. Then what you are doing? Simply A, B, capital F is replaced with small f, H, or A, B, if capital F is replaced with H. Now what is the answer? From this G, from this F, from this H. Now you got it? So no need to remember everything. Directly I am getting the answer. Replace with all possible productions. Otherwise, if you want to written in the form of an equation, what is the first of B? Simply first of D followed by this one. First of D. If it contains any epsilon, first of D minus epsilon. First of D minus epsilon followed by anything, union first of H. Now what is the answer? First of D is equal to G F epsilon. Minus epsilon means G comma F. Union H means G comma F comma H. You are getting the answer, right or wrong? So directly you are getting the answer. Whatever it is there, for that we are calculating the first. If it contains epsilon, union followed by next one. Now follow of C is equal to, where C appear? C appear at this production. C is not followed by anything. If after C nothing is there, simply follow of C is equal to follow of their parent. C is coming from B. So follow of their parent G comma F comma H. Now follow of capital D. Where D appears? D appears here. D is followed by a terminal H. Simply close H. Now follow of capital E. E is appeared. Where E appear? E appear here. Followed by a non-terminal F. F is replaced with either small f or epsilon. Again I will write, suppose D tends to E, F. F is replaced with small f or F is replaced with epsilon. If you are considering this one, follow of E is equal to F. If you are considering this one, after E nothing is there. What is the, if nothing is there means the follow of D. What is the follow of D? G. Follow of D is equal to H. This is the answer. Or else you can write like this. First of F minus epsilon. First of F minus epsilon union follow of D. Again the same answer. First of F in the sense F comma epsilon minus epsilon in the sense F union follow of D means H. We are getting the answer F comma H. And the last one is follow of F is equal to, F appears here. Nothing is there. Simply follow of F is equal to follow of D. This is the way to calculate first and follow. Again I am repeating, the first in the sense in the right side the first terminal symbol. If there is a non-terminal symbol, replace that non-terminal with all possible productions. The same thing is applied in the follow. But in case of follow, we need to check the follow of that non-terminal in all the productions of the RHS. The RHS, that is, the symbol is followed by a terminal directly, that is the answer. Followed by a non-terminal, then you need to calculate first. After calculating the first, if it does not contain epsilon, directly answer is there. If it contains epsilon, again move to the next one. So this is the way to calculate first and follow. Thank you.